Hey everybody, Ace here, another purple shirt, and you know what that means, another video about cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies are here to stay, and I think there are very few people out there that think cryptocurrencies are going to disappear within the next few years.
Get out! Out!
So knowing that cryptocurrency is a great hedge against inflation in the stock market, you might be thinking it is time to get into a little bit of crypto yourself. So let me walk you through a $1,000 cryptocurrency portfolio and what some of the coins in that portfolio might look like. Cryptocurrencies are similar to stocks, as in there should be some sort of project or business and a white paper established that is the underlying asset that you're investing into. Which means when you're looking into different cryptocurrencies to invest into, you should always be researching what the underlying asset is. Just like in stocks, when you're looking to invest in a company like Apple, you'd want to look at the underlying company. What does Apple do? So when you're looking at cryptocurrencies, you should be looking at what does Ethereum or Bitcoin or Uniswap, what do they do? What problem are they trying to solve? Or what business model are they doing with that coin? Cryptocurrencies are split into large cap, mid cap, and small cap coins, just like the stock market. Your large cap coins are some of the major players like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Mid caps are like Cardano or Tezos, these have your average market sizes. And small caps are like Neo or PancakeSwap, which are the smaller market cap sizes. And there are a variety of different coins that fit into that large cap, mid cap, and small cap bucket. So why do you need to know that there's different large cap, mid cap, and small cap coins? Well, just like the stock market, you're going to want to diversify your portfolio in cryptocurrencies. You're not going to want to put all of your eggs into one basket. Can you do that? Absolutely. Is that something I would do? Absolutely not. Now, if you're wanting to invest $1,000 in your first cryptocurrency portfolio, you're going to have to remember that there's going to be fees associated with buying those cryptocurrencies. I got into a really bad habit when purchasing stocks that I didn't have any fees associated with purchasing those stocks. So when I bought my first rounds of cryptocurrencies, seeing fees attached to those, I didn't plan for. Meaning when I wanted to invest my initial $2,000, I actually needed more than $2,000 to invest that $2,000. So when purchasing your cryptocurrency coins, if you have a set amount that you actually want to invest into coins, prepare to have a little bit more than that set amount. So for instance, if you want to have that $1,000 invested, you might need $1,100 because you're going to have to pay some fees to invest in those coins. There is a trick to keeping your fees lower, and I'll be going into that a little bit later in the video. These examples in this cryptocurrency portfolio that I'm going to go over, I use the app Coinbase to purchase and hold my cryptocurrency assets, but you can use Binance or Gemini. You just need to pick what works best for you. I personally just like to use Coinbase because it's one of the more popular mainstream versions out there to buy cryptocurrencies. There are a variety of different ways you can invest your $1,000 cryptocurrency portfolio. For instance, you could throw all $1,000 into Bitcoin or into Ethereum and just hold for the long term. Now, is that the smartest play to do? Potentially not, but if that's something you're willing to do, go ahead and do it. Heck, you could throw it all in Dogecoin and hope you get lucky. When investing into cryptocurrencies, I think diversity is so important, just like the stock market, because you want to be able to capitalize when different coins are rallying up, when others are staying flat or even going downwards. So looking into these different portfolios, I typically do a 50% into the large cap coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum, 25% into your mid cap coins, and another 25% into your small cap altcoins. Now you can mix up your percentages however you want to do it. That's just how I like to set up my portfolios for diversity. Now here's a couple different ways you can mix and match different coins to make up your $1,000 cryptocurrency portfolio. And this is following the 50% into large caps, 25% into mid caps, and 25% into small caps. First option would be putting $300 into Bitcoin, $200 into Ethereum, so that would make up your 50% of your $1,000 for your large caps. Then $150 into Uniswap, $100 into Cardano, which would make up your 25% for your mid caps. And then $150 into Neo and $100 into DIA, which would make up your 25% for your small caps. And right there would make up your first cryptocurrency portfolio of $1,000. Now let's go into another example, but mixing up the coins a little bit. I would still put a majority of my assets into Bitcoin because that is one of the largest coins out there and that gains the most traction and probably has the most upward mobility to move. Now, does that mean you're gonna make the most money off that Bitcoin? Absolutely not. But since it's the most dominant and most pronounced coin that everyone knows, I would still put the majority of my large cap holding into that. Saying that, I would put $300 in this next example into Bitcoin and $200 into Litecoin. Having those large caps taken care of, let's move into those mid caps. Let's put $200 into Cardano and $50 into Uniswap. And then to cover your small cap coins, put $250 into Chainlink. As you can see, I could mix and match a variety of different coins into a variety of different scenarios for your cryptocurrency portfolio. But ultimately what you want to do is research coins that you are interested in, or something that I do is some of the big YouTubers that I like to follow, when they mention some coins and they say they're investing into certain coins in their portfolio, then I'll look into those coins and see if that aligns on what I want to invest into or not. Because there are thousands of different coins and different projects out there, and it could take you hours to research and find what you really want to invest into. Lastly, to keep your fees low when looking to invest into cryptocurrencies, instead of buying directly into that coin, what you're gonna wanna do is put all of your money into a lower coin, because Ethereum, Bitcoin, Litecoin, they have higher fees and it's gonna cost a lot more to buy those coins straight up. So to keep those fees low, for example, put your $1,000 into Cardano or Uniswap. And then what you can do is you can transfer those coins into another coin for free. Therefore, keeping the amount of fees you're paying a lot lower than if you were to invest 300 into Bitcoin, 200 into Ethereum, 100 into Uniswap, so on and so forth. Because each time you buy a different coin, it's gonna cost you a fee. But if you put it all into one coin, you got that one-time fee, and then when you transfer that coin up, you don't have any more fees anymore. And that's going to be it for this video today. Hopefully you get some good ideas on how to set up your first $1,000 cryptocurrency portfolio. And if you liked this video or learned anything, please just tap that thumbs up button for me. Subscribe for more content. Leave me a comment if you have any questions on what I covered or anything to do with cryptocurrencies. And I hope to see you in the next video.